Welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Italy visa appointment. If you already have an account, then you log in into the portal. If not, you register your account. You can read through. Okay. You put your name, surname, place of birth, date of birth, your account, your email, password, and then confirm the password. Contacts, the address, your postcode, city, state, area code, and your telephone number. And then you can choose your consulate. For the consulate, you can choose the country you want to submit your application. Here are a list of countries: Albania, Arabia, Australia, Canada, Brazil, Germany, India, Morocco, Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya. All of those you choose. After you click to proceed, and then you register. You click on registration. After the registration, we are going to log in. Log in to access the portal. And then you enter your username and password. Then you click next. After logging in, you come to this page. There will be your home, your appointments. If you made an appointment, all the appointments will show here, and how to book your appointment, your profile, or also if you want to change the embassy. If you have watched up to this point and you want to support or give back to me, you can support me by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing to the channel. You can change the consulate. If you feel like the other consulate you're not getting appointments, you can come here to change to the new consulate. And this is a list. To book appointment, you come here. There are two options. It is either visa for Schengen, appointment booking for Schengen visas with duration of up to 90 days, or appointment booking for national visas with duration longer than 90 days. This one will also include student visa, family reunion, work visa. This is where it goes. So you choose whichever you want to book. You click on book. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. For instance, let me say that I am using Angola